Hi everyone, I'm Amit. In this video, I will tell you everything you need to know about new digital SAT. We will break into three parts: exam structure, scoring, and the test experience. The digital SAT is not just an online version of the paper and pencil test. College Board has made a lot of structural changes in the test. Let's discuss those changes one by one. First of all, let's talk about the test structure. Digital SAT will have fundamentally two sections. One is the reading and writing section and another is the math section. Let's discuss further each of the sections separately. Now in reading and writing section, or as it's known as a verbal section, will further have two individually timed modules. Each of the module will have 27 questions to be addressed in 32 minutes. So if you combine both the modules, you'll have overall 54 questions to be addressed in 64 minutes. Similarly, when we move on to the math section, it will have two individually timed modules. Each of the module will have 22 questions to be addressed in 35 minutes. So again, if you combine the maths part, total you'll have 44 questions to be done in 70 minutes.
Sir, वो दो questions का क्या बता रहे थे आप?
मैं रुक जा यार, बता रहा हूँ, तू भागेंगे भाग रहा है. So in short, there will be two questions which are not scored in each of the modules, whether it's a reading and writing module or it's a maths module. In each of the modules, there will be two questions which are not scored, which can appear anywhere in the section. You will not know that, so you will need to take each question very seriously and attempt your best. Let's talk about the scoring bit. In digital SAT, what College Board is following is a multi-stage adaptive testing process. Let's discuss this in simple terms. In the first module of both the sections, you will have questions of all difficulty levels, whether it's easy, medium, hard. What's important for us to understand is how you perform in the first section will decide the difficulty level of the questions that will get in the second section. So on an average, the difficulty level you will get in the second section would be tougher or lower than the first section based on how you have performed, right? Another thing which is very important for us to note is that tougher questions carry more marks. Let's talk about the testing experience. Though it's a digital SAT, however, that does not mean you can take it from home. It is still being held only in the designated test centers. However, you can either bring your own device, whether it's a laptop or a tablet, or you can request one from the College Board. However, the overall testing experience is becoming much more convenient as the duration is reduced. Now the duration is going to be 2 hours 14 minutes. Another important thing, a graphic calculator can be used for the entire math section. Now again, you can bring one on your own or you can use the one available on screen.
Sir, अगर Wi-Fi चला गया तो?
अबे तेरी अगर बैटरी भी खत्म होगी तो उसकी भी कोई स्ट्रेस नहीं है. The data is safe. You can resume from where it stopped. Few more things about digital SAT. Number one, your result will be out in days. Number two, you'll have 7 opportunities to take a test within a year. And third, you can take as many times as you want till you get your target score. Your performance in the digital SAT will play a very critical role in deciding the colleges you get into and the scholarships you get. So click the link in the description below and get started with your SAT prep.